Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add other current liabilities to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add some current liabilities that you have to be reflected on your a QuickBooks Online account. How do you actually go ahead and set that up in your chart of accounts? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first log on to our QuickBooks account. Then you want to click on menu so that it toggles down. Highlight transactions, and then click on chart of accounts. Once you open up this page here, you want to click on new on the right hand side, give it an account name, and then for the account type, you want to select other current liabilities. So with that, you could actually select the detail type as well. So you have lines of credit, loan payables, payroll clearing, etc. And then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add other current liabilities to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.